Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted a fun and creative way to challenge yourself to save money, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make your own saving challenges right inside Canva, even if you've never used Canva before. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully customized 30-day savings challenge template you can print, share, or use on your phone to track your progress. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, head over to canva.com. You can use either the free or paid version for this. Both will work perfectly fine for our saving challenge project. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a big Create a Design button, usually up at the top right. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, from all the available options, you want to look for something called Sheets. This will give us a nice grid layout, kind of like a spreadsheet, which is absolutely perfect for a 30-day challenge. If you don't see Sheets right away, don't worry, there's a little link called See All. Click on that and you'll find Sheets among the template choices. Think of this step like hunting for the right notepad on your desk. Sometimes it's hiding under a pile. Next up, in the search bar at the top, type in 30 days. This will help filter all the templates so we get designs specifically made for 30-day challenges. It really narrows things down and saves you the hassle of scrolling through loads of unrelated templates. Give it a second to load. Sometimes Canva needs a moment to show you all the options. You'll see a bunch of beautiful templates pop up, each with its own style and vibe. There's no right or wrong answer here. Pick one that resonates with you. Maybe you like pastel colors, bold numbers, or a minimalist look. This is your saving challenge, so choose a template that you'll be excited to fill out every day. Just click on the template you like and Canva will open it up so you can start customizing. Now here where the real fun begins, personalization. This is your chance to make the savings challenge totally yours. Maybe you want to change the colors to match your favorite palette or swap out the fonts for something playful or elegant. You can edit the text to add your own motivational phrases like "you've got this" or "almost there." You can even drop in little icons or graphics like coins, piggy banks, or even stickers to make hitting your daily goal feel like an event. If you're saving for something special, like a vacation or a new gadget, add a little picture of your goal to keep you inspired every day. Take your time here and have fun experimenting. Don't worry if you're new to Canva, it's really forgiving and you can always hit undo if you change your mind. Remember, what you're doing is more than just a design. You're setting up a system that'll help you build habits and reach your financial goals. And that's it. Once you're happy with your savings challenge design, you can download it as a PDF, print it out, or keep it digital and just check off each day on your phone or computer. It's super flexible and the best part is you made it yourself. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you create your own savings challenge, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you're saving for or if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on getting creative and staying organized with Canva. See you in the next video.